But when it comes to climate change itself, you know, man-made CO2 is leading to ever-rising temperatures and ultimate doom and disaster. Are you a denier on climate change? Where do you place yourself on that?
So I'll just state the facts, because a lot of these labels are reductionist, and most people who are using them have no idea what they're talking about.
True.
So are global surface temperatures going up? The answer appears to be yes. Is that related in some way to man-made causes? The answer appears to be yes. Is that anywhere close to an existential risk for humanity? Absolutely not. And in contrast to the climate change agenda, our best approach forward is adapting to the changes in the climate, as we always have, through not less but more use of fossil fuels and also other forms of energy, most notably nuclear energy. And so my view is we have to look at the facts. If you look at the number of people who die of climate-related disasters, tornadoes, hurricanes, heat waves, it is down by 98% over the last century.
Now, watching mainstream media, you wouldn't believe that.
You would never know this, but this fact, nobody who's credible on scientific communities familiar with the data will deny this, because it's a hard fact. For every 100 people who died in 1920, 2 died today of a climate-related disaster. You want to know why? More plentiful, abundant access to fossil fuels. 8 times as many people die of cold temperatures as warm ones. Let's think about that fact. Oh, and by the way, in the 1970s, the climate change movement was actually about warning of a looming ice age unless we stop.
I'm old enough to, I remember it as a kid. Yeah, well, I do.
I'm young enough to see the images of the magazines on the internet. They used to warn of it. But the reality is this is from the 1970s, not that long ago.